Ready to unleash your creativity. In this step-by-step Canva short design tutorial, you will learn how to transform your ideas into designable art. Whether you are a beginner or pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your shorts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a t-shirt designs with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirt designs. It offers an exclusive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. So all I have to do right now is just come back to the top and you'll find the button of sign up in the top right. You have just to click over it and you add your email address and your password. Then you get started with the home page of Canva. But I don't have the button of sign up and log in here to find my account. But we have here my account, that's why, and I will just click over home and I will find this page which is the home page of Canva. So let's start discovering right now the plans and the pricing of this template or this platform, sorry, which is Canva. We have here the free one, design anything and bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. We'll have the pro one, unlock premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI features. Then we have teams, transform teamwork, grow your brand, and simplify workflows. Then we have enterprise, empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solution. All right. Also, we have here the option of business, education, and we have design spotlight, and here we have also learn, and you have just to get started as soon as possible, right? So right now we have just to click over here to search your content in Canvas, and I will just search for t-shirts. Then you'll find this page as you can see. Right now you have just to select the one you think is better and comfortable for you, or by the way the one you need. For example, right now I will just click over sale and you will find all these templates. So let's just waiting for. So as you can see, here we have also here in the top right, in the top, sorry, we have all filters. I will just select the category that I think it's better for me. For example, if it's related to the business, as you can see, or we have social media as well, education, video, marketing, then we have print products, card and invitations, then we have the style. I will select it if I want modern or other things for the theme as well, and we have language, features, subject, topic, and the price. I will select the free one, and about the color I will select the black one, and I will click over apply, and you will find these templates. Alright, so let's wait for it. So right now I will just select one template. I will click over customize this template, and you will find other page. What is this one? We have here various options that you have to know. So as you can see right now, I will just here, if we want here to put it log page, and we have here for a duplicate page. Also we have if we want to add page, or you can here also use the option of adding page, right? And right, we'll find here terminal view if you want a good view and also present full screen, and if you want to ask kind of something, you have just to click over here and do search, and then you will get your answer, sorry. Then also you can record if you want to start using voice, right? Then we have also here the option of zoom in, and we have the option of zoom out, and in the top we have other options such as file resize, editing. We have here into and redo. We have here for when all changes saved. Then we have here the name of my design. Then we have here for Chart Pro, and we have for just shared with you other account. As you can see, we have insights, and also we have here the option of current image. If you want to add a comment, you have just to click over here and you add a comment. Then we have also here the option of share. This is the last one that we all want to talk, so let's stick around to know all these things. And right now let's just go to this design, and I will select for example this one. I don't like the first one, and I will select also the color that I think is better for me, right? Then right now I will just go to the elements, and I will firstly delete all these things. They will do my own, right? As you can see, here we have it. All right, so right now I will just add for example this one, and also I will add other things. I will show you how you can do that. All right, So then I will just add a heading. I will just go to the text and I will click for add a heading. I will select firstly the color and I will select here this color. I will put it firstly in the top and the middle. Then I will write, for example, here dragon fire. Then I will put here this one like that. Then I will just go to the draw and I will select, for example, a color, the same color, and they will click over here and they will select this color. Then I will add, for example, a signature here. As you can see, here we have it, and they will add Canva here. Alright, as you can see, for example, I will add Canva here. So I did a mistake. I will just go to the endo here and I will click over it. Alright. And also if you want to just add a brand, if you want, we have the logos, colors, and you have one upload. You have just to click on upload files and you upload from your computer. Then we have also if you want to record yourself. As you can see, you will just click over record and you will get started. 3, 2, 1, and you start recording, and then you click over done and you have just to save it and exit, or you can just exit to studio and I will just exit without saving. Alright. Also if you want to add video, audio, and also we have the option of top as I said and as I did. Then we have product, application, then we have QR code. If you want to add QR code, then also we have here other things. Alright. So right now, after just designing your template or your design t-shirt, you have just right now to share it with your friends. You have just to go in the top right and you have to add people or groups that you want, and then also we have the option of put it anyone with the link, anyone can access the design using this link, no sign required. Then we have here for other options like seal here, like public view link, template link, present, we have here presented the record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and we have also website. If you want to share it also, you have just to click over public view link, and then you click over get public view link, and this is the link, and I will just click over copy, and then I will share it with my friends, or you can just go to the browser and you have just to paste it and you will find your template or your design. So as you can see, you have to design, and right now let's just come back. So here we have it, how it works with Canva. You can just get started as soon as possible. So creating a t-shirt design with Canva is a straightforward and enjoyable process that empowers you to express your unique style. What is its user-friendly interface and vast array of tools, you can easily customize designs to make them truly your own. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.